Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years, and I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का presentation है दोस्तों डेलिना at Hiranandani Estate in Thane. So let's begin with the presentation. So friend, this is Delina Hiranandani Estate, Thane, and it has only 2 BHK flats and tower is 33-story tower, and it is ready. OC has come of the building and it is ready to occupy. So today we will discuss about Delina at Hiranandani Estate, Thane. So as everybody knows, Hiranandani is a branded developer, and Hiranandani Estate, almost 95% it is developed. There are very few plots are left in Hiranandani Estate. So this is one of the building, Delina, which they have just completed and it is ready to occupy. This is the place where you create your own heaven for your loved ones to find fulfillment. And at the same time, you are very close to the nature, you're close to your home, and at the same time, you're close to the office also. So friend, this is the elevation of the building, Delina, which has only 2 BHK, 4 flats on each floor, and this is 33-story tower. And you can see the elevation of the building, typical design of Hiranandani developer, and almost all the project what they have made, these are the typical style of design of Hiranandani developer. And after all, Hafiz contractor is the designer, so definitely it's a branded designer is there with in partnership with Hiranandani developer. And in every buildings of Hiranandani, you will see this structure, dome type or pyramid type structure you see on top. And basically this structure, as per Vastu, it says as per Vastu, you get positive vibration from the universe, from the top, for the whole building. बाकी अपनी अपनी सोच है. But this is how the building is designed. It is very elegant, very decent look of the building, and very sleek tower with only 4 flats on each floor, and with combination of only 2 BHK flats. So this is Delina. So this is Delina at Hiranandani Estate. So this is your gateway to gratified living, and you can see how wonderful the look of the building is. It's a very sharp look of the building and very sleek. And this is 33-story tower with pyramid structure on top, and this blue color shade with brown color, light gray or brown color shade of the building. It looks very royal look of the building. And here you have 2 levels of basement parkings are there, in which it's a mechanized parking where you park your car and you have to just press the button, and automatically where the place is available, your car will get parked over there. So this is how the elevation of the building is, and it's ready to occupy. So in the lobby, this is the image of the lobby, and you see very grand double heighted air conditioned entrance lobby has been given, where there is a sitting arrangement over here, and this is the place for security person over here. And false ceiling and the height and the floorings has been designed very beautifully. And other features are also there in this building. In general features, like you have CCTV surveillance at building entrance lobby, beautiful lift lobbies on each floor, 3 high-speed elevators, LED lights in common areas, power backup for pump, lifts, lobby, and staircase, comprehensive firefighting and fire alarm system, FTTH ready low voltage structured cabling system inside the apartment, common dish for DTH, audio video intercom, common EV charging point, and mechanized car parking. So very comfortable and cozy look and feel of the sample flat you can see over here. So this is the sample flat and very beautifully designed. This is the actual view of the sample flat. From floor to ceiling, the height is clear. 10 feet clear height has been given in this flat. And even the French cut windows are from floor to ceiling. Clear height is there from floor to ceiling, and end-to-end sliding has been given. So you have enough natural light inside your flat, as well as cross ventilation is also good. And secondly, very comfortable flat, very comfortable design. Placing of dining table is very properly placed, and even living room is very properly designed with wall to wall. This wall to wall could be 10.5 feet. So very properly placed and very well designed living and dining space. So hall is very well designed. Even the bedroom, you see, you have French cut windows, semi French cut window you can say, because here 1 feet wall is there from below over here, but end to end sliding is there. So there is a bright light, natural bright light is there inside the flat, inside your bedroom. And even when you place your bed, your side table and TV and small unit over here, so then too you have enough place around your bedroom. You can see over here there are very good spaces there in the surrounding area of the bed. So this is again the image of one of the bedroom, image of the kitchen. It's an L-shaped platform, and there's a place for fridge with a window. Exhaust fan has been given. And in washroom you have all branded fittings are there, right from CP and sanitary fittings. So all branded fittings are given in this Delina, developed by Hiranandani developer. In apartment features, if you will see, you have marble flooring in living and dining areas, heavy duty aluminum windows, which are sliding windows, vitrified tiles in bedroom, kitchen and bathroom, well-designed kitchen with platform including base unit and hob, thoughtfully designed toilets with premium bathroom fittings, superior quality geyser, exhaust fan and water purifier, electricity provision with 3-phase supply, and meticulously planned electrical layout by interior designer with modular electrical switches, power backup and selective light and fan points. So whatever fittings you are getting inside this flat, right from the wirings, from the painting quality, in kitchens all the sinks, taps will be all branded quality, and in bathrooms also you get anti-skid tiles with taps, and sanitary and CP fittings will be all branded quality fittings will be there inside this flat in Delima Tower, which is developed by Hiranandani developer at Hiranandani Estate, Thane. So this is the typical floor plan, since it's only one stand-alone tower. So this is the floor plan of the wing, single wing. It has only one wing, and you can see there are only 1, 2, 3 and 4 flats are there. So all the flats are corner flats. All the flats are corner flats. So there are no obstruction from any corner of the flats. And secondly, when you see this planning over here, When you walk inside, it's an L-shaped hall where there's a dining space, living room, large size bedroom, second large size bedroom which is attached, and this is common washroom. So very beautifully designed, all rectangle rooms are there, and there is zero wastage in this flat. So there are 3 lifts, 1, 2 and 3 lifts are there, and staircase over here. This is the image of whole Hiranandani estate, which is at Thane, and this total land parcel is 250 acres, or could be more than that. 95% development has been completed in Hiranandani estate, and which we are discussing today is of this circle, this tower, which is Delina by Hiranandani developer. And this building is ready and it's ready to occupy. So benefit of buying flat over here is that because this whole complex is developed, so you get all the amenities and facilities which are functioning in this complex. So right from the retail plaza to school to hospital, colleges, restaurants, all are functioning in this area. So this is developed area, and even the building is ready. So you have no risk at all. You have to just make the payment and take the keys. And if you are staying in rental flat, so this is again the best opportunity for you. You can just buy the flat and save your rent and start paying EMI of your own flat. And this Hiranandani estate is one of the best complex in Thane. It's a very big township, around 250 acres. Hiranandani developer was the first pioneer to start in Thane Godbandar Road, and now many developers are there in Thane Godbandar Road. But Hiranandani estate is something unique and something different. And their buildings, their looks of the building, the complex is very properly designed with enough space given in each buildings, and lots of other facilities and amenities are provided within the complex itself. So you can see this is the actual image of the Hiranandani estate. This is the actual image, and most of the buildings are having this dome on top. So has Delina, and behind all the views are open. Backside over here, this is the sea creek coming over here up to inside over here, and there's a mountain facing view behind. Surrounding areas over here. So basically this is a zero pollution zone. There is no pollution over here, and the surrounding areas you see, it is open over here. And very beautiful look of the township with many huge towers and high-rise towers inside this complex Hiranandani estate. And one more plus point is that 10,000 flats are being sold, 10,000 families are being given possession in this Hiranandani estate, and every building they make is very unique and it sells very fast. So 10,000 happy families are already staying in this complex Hiranandani estate. Secondly, you will get that level of comfort and sense of security. You have enough space inside this complex because, as I told you, buildings are planned very properly. Enough space has been given in this complex. So this is one of the garden over here. And again, when you see over here, lots of open space has been provided beside this complex over here. This is left side, there is a complex. This is one of the complex over here. And this is the roads which are inside the complex, and you see there are plenty of open space has been given in this complex with lots of trees and greeneries around. So complex is well connected to educational institute, quality healthcare, and fine dine restaurants. This is Hiranandani Foundation School, which is within the complex. This is one of the amenities, badminton court, then fully equipped gymnasium, Hiranandani Hospital, and large size clubhouse has been given with semi-Olympic size swimming pool. And it is maintained by developer. So wherever you see in this complex in Hiranandani Estate, whether you stay in Delina or anywhere in Hiranandani Estate, every corner you have excitement and you feel the joy of living in this complex. So beside this, you have Tata Consultancy Service building is there, one of the commercial building within this complex. And there's a retail plaza which is within this complex, and the name for this retail plaza has been given The Walk. Developer has provided electrical vehicle charging station within the complex. So nowadays electric cars are in trend. So those who require free charging, electric vehicle charging, so they can charge their car at the station which developer has provided from their side. Hiranandani Estate is very close to Gorbandar Road, and secondly, beside the road of Gorbandar Road, there is a metro line which will be running parallel to this Gorbandar Road, and there are lots of other infrastructure happening in this surrounding area. This is Hiranandani complex over here. So first of all, there is a metro line which will be running parallel to this Gorbandar Road. Then there is a sea coastal road which will be connecting from Thane to Vasai, Borivali, and other parts of Mumbai. So that will be coastal road will be connected to different parts of Mumbai. And again, there will be a ferry which will be connecting from Thane, which will be a sea route, which will be a sea route connecting from Thane again to Vasai, Virar, Borivali, Bandra, and further wherever the sea jetties are there. So traveling from Thane through this area, there are many ways you can travel through by road. You can travel by metro. In future, you can travel through ferries or even through coastal roads. So all these developments are coming up very soon in Thane. So all the residents of Thane will be getting benefits through it, and definitely people buying flat right now in Delina will also get benefit through it. So Thane is very well connected to the rest of the city. So here you see this is Thane Vadala Metro Line 4, and it will be operated between Kesar Vadavali at Gorbandar Road, Thane to Vadala in Mumbai. And it's a game changer to connect Mumbai with Thane with a stretch of 32 kilometers and will cover 32 stations. So this is Metro Line 4, and nearby station for this Thane Hiranandani Estate will be Dongripada Station, which is a metro station, and Tikujuniwadi Station for one Hiranandani Park, which is again close by to Hiranandani Estate. Then there is Mumbai Metro Line 4A and Mumbai Metro Line 5. This Metro Line 4A will be an extension of Metro Line 4 from Kesarwadi to Gamuk area, and Metro Line 5 will connect Thane to Bhiwandi and Kalyan. Again, 24-kilometer metro corridor will have 17 stations. So these are the metro development which is coming up very fast, which will be starting in any moment in Thane. And again, this project, this Delena will get benefit from it. So in this master layout of the area, if you see over here, this whole area is Hiranandani Estate. And you go further from here, there is one Hiranandani Park over here. And the closest station is Dogripada Metro Station or Tikujiniwadi Metro Station. So there are lots of infrastructure happening in this area, as I told you. So other infrastructure, when you see over here, there is Khopri Bridge widening Mumbai Thane, then Thane Borivali underground tunnel, which will be crossing from National Park to Tikujuniwadi, and within 15 minutes you reach to Tikujuniwadi. And this tunnel will come from Tikujuniwadi to Borivali National Park. So traveling from Borivali to Thane will be easy through this tunnel, which work is going on right now. Then, as I told you, waterways ferries will be starting very soon. Thane Gorbandar elevated corridor is again, this is under construction. New flyover for easy commute. There are lots of flyovers coming up. Then upcoming Thane coastal road. So these coastal roads will connect to Borivali, to Andheri, to Bandra, and of course one of the road is ready, which is Worli Sea Link, that is from Bandra to Worli Sea Link. So similar type of coastal road which will be developing from Thane, and it will connect to all over Mumbai and to the surrounding areas of Mumbai throughout the Mumbai. So Hiranandani is from last 40 years into construction industry, and they have taken more than 100 awards and 18,000 happy families already they have given delivery. So as you know, Hiranandani is a branded developer, and secondly, you are buying a flat in Delina. So Delina is not an under construction project, it's a ready project. You have to just see the actual flat, what you are buying, make the payment and take the keys. Bank loans are available from all the banks. Whichever bank you are comfortable, you can take loan from any bank, whatever gives you the best rate of interest. Now for prices, they have different slabs are there from 1 to 5, 6 to 10 floor, 11 to 15 floor, 16 to 20 floor, 26 to 30 and 31 to 35. All different 5 floors, they have different prices are there. But minimum price starts from 1,51,90,000, and this includes all your other charges. And maximum price for higher floor goes up to 1,62,10,000. This includes all your other charges, stamp duty, registration, GST, and all the other charges. So these are the prices for 2 BHK flats. So friends, for booking, you can call me on my number 7400138561, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this channel, because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more developer, one more project very soon. Thank you for watching this presentation. See you. Take care. Bye-bye.